Welcome to our channel. Today we how to secure your website analytics with Google Analytics, complete guide step by step clearly. Begin by logging into your Google Analytics account. Navigate to the admin section by clicking on the gear icon in the lower left corner. In the admin section, select the correct property for your website. Under the property column, click on Tracking Info. Then select Data Retention. Adjust the settings to meet your privacy requirements if necessary. Next, go to User Management under the Property column. Ensure that only trusted individuals have access to your analytics. Remove any users that no longer need access. Next, navigate to Property Settings. Scroll down to the default URL. Ensure your website's URL is correctly entered to avoid data discrepancies. Now, go back to Tracking Info and click on Tracking Code. Copy the tracking code provided, as you will need it for your website. Implement the tracking code in the header of your website. Make sure it's placed above the closing /head tag. Next, set up a new view for your data. In the View column, click on Create View. Give it a descriptive name, like Filtered View for Analytics Security. Set the appropriate time zone for accurate data. Then, go to Filters in the View settings. Add a new filter to exclude internal traffic. This will help ensure your analytics data reflects only external users. For additional security, enable IP anonymization. Return to the Tracking Info menu and click on Data Sharing Settings. Review and adjust data sharing settings to control. Now, set up alerts for any unusual activity in your analytics. Go to Custom Alerts under the Admin panel. Create alerts to notify you of significant traffic changes. Finally, regularly review user access and permissions. Regular audits will help maintain the security of your analytics data. This completes your guide on securing your website analytics with Google Analytics. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.